Wait! Are you still making lasagna without this creamy upgrade? I'm about to show you how burrata turns your basic lasagna into a dish you'd swear came from a five-star Italian restaurant. And no, it's not just for pizza. Do you want 20 drool-worthy lasagna recipes? The link is in the description. Download for free now. You'll need classic lasagna noodles, garlic, tomatoes, and a blend of cheeses. But what makes this version magical? Burrata. That's right. Creamy, dreamy burrata, and a few more ingredients you already have in your kitchen. Start with a bold tomato sauce, garlic, olive oil, slow-simmered goodness. Then layer like a boss, noodles, sauce, cheese mix. But pay attention. If you skip what I'm about to show you before baking, your lasagna will never be as creamy as this one. Do you love this? Don't forget to grab my 20 free lasagna recipe ebook, link below. The number one mistake? Not resting your lasagna. People cut into it too soon and wonder why it slides apart. But the real game changer? Mixing heavy cream into the ricotta before layering? Burrata gives you that gooey center, but the cream gives it structure. Total melt-in-your-mouth magic. And here it is. Burrata lasagna, rested, melty, layered to perfection. Watch this cheese pull. Tell me that's not love at first bite. If this blew your mind, just wait till you try the pesto ricotta lasagna or the roasted mushroom one in our free lasagna recipe ebook. Full step-by-step for this burrata version is in the link below. And yeah, I made you a freebie, 20 free lasagna recipes to rule your kitchen. Go grab it.